Hello, welcome to MainStreetEnglish.com. Thank you for joining us today. 10 English language idioms about friendship and relationships. In this Main Street English video, there are 10 English language idioms about friendship and relationships, plus example sentences, which will no doubt be helpful if you're learning English. Let's get started with our list of the best English idioms about friendship. Number 1. Cross someone's path. It means to unexpectedly meet someone. This phrase originally implied that such a meeting included opposing a person or otherwise causing him trouble. But, in the modern sense, it doesn't necessarily mean this. For example, Kate swore she would scream if a spider crossed her path. Number 2. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A person who helps when we are not doing well, or when we have problems, is a true friend, unlike other people who disappear when difficulties arise. For example, Lisa has lost her keys, so she has nowhere to stay for the night, but Emma suggested that she stay at her place. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Number 3. Make friends. This phrase cannot be taken literally, because to physically make a person your friend is impossible. The phrase means to form a friendship with someone, and develop warm feelings for someone. For example, I hope John will soon make friends at school, because he feels so lonely now. Number 4. Build bridges. This phrase means to improve relations between people who differ significantly from one another, for one reason or another, or who possibly just don't like one another. For example, a local charity organization is working to build bridges between different ethnic groups in the city. Number 5. Friends in high places. This phrase means that one has friends who have important or influential positions. For example, Jim is very rude to other workers, just because he has some friends in high places. Number 6. Be an item. This is said about people who are dating, who have a romantic relationship with each other. For example, Kate and Mike began seeing each other, and were an item for almost 2 years. Number 7. At odds with someone. This is said about people who have a conflict or disagreement. The word odds means controversy, inequality, or chances. For example, the director and the artist were always at odds while making that short film. Number 8. Birds of a feather. A well-known expression, which refers to people that have something in common. The entire idiom is birds of a feather flock together, which means that people with common interests tend to spend time with one another and become good friends. Sentence example: my friend prefers the same clothes as me. Well, birds of a feather flock together. Number 9. Man's best friend. This phrase refers to a dog, our faithful and loyal four-legged friend. For example, a study of man's best friend shows that the relationship between humans and dogs started 100,000 years ago, and that's a surprising fact. Number 10. The honeymoon is over. This expression is useful if you want to say that a difficult time has started in your life, after things have been relatively easy or pleasant. I think it's a good analogy. After all, it is often after the honeymoon that real married life begins. Sentence example: I knew the honeymoon was over at my new job when they started making me work after hours daily. Do you have any questions about today's English lesson video? Please leave us a comment, and let's chat. Thank you for watching our English video lessons at MainStreetEnglish.com. Please remember to like and subscribe for more free English video lessons from Main Street English.